Nandi?
You really thought I'm from China?
Yeah.
Where was you telling? Okay. I didn't do it.
Well, I've always wanted to go to India because it's.
Will be in dispute, but demolition will not be possible.
Not
So
because
what are they disputing then?
in Jain it's called.
Yeah,
They
Jain.
also internal fire, 3,500 years old internal fire.
I think it's my favorite city in India so far.
So far,
Yeah.
we respect all lives.
Yeah.
So we don't eat meat.
Do you?
Sorry for that.
And also
Yes, I'm from China.
to the baby, not burn here. With the stone, bind with the stone, and just
कंस्ट्रक्ट किए थे, गवर्नमेंट ने रोक दिया, फिर डिमोलिश भी कर दिया.
Big one is for the guy to use, and the small one is for the girl to use. So they
Oh.
know that if the woman hears the sound of the big one, she has to put the veil on. But if she
Why do you choose India?
It's something different.
Hi, what do you say in Hindi?
namaste,
Then thank you.
dhanyavad.
And what else, Cami?
Shut up.
ओम नमो पार्वतीय पतेव हर हर महादेव. मैं आया हूँ वाराणसी. वेलकम टू वाराणसी, द स्पिरिचुअल कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. कल मैं पहुंच गया था वंदे भारत से, फिर हॉस्टल में चेक इन कर लिया था रात के 12 बजे के आसपास. अभी सुबह का हुआ है 9 बजने को है. थोड़ा ये एक्सप्लोर करने आया है और मेरे साथ है I have one friend with me.
Hello guys, I'm Tess.
She's from Netherlands. अभी हम लोग हॉस्टल में मिले थे. No, thank you. तो इनका आज कुछ प्लान है, इन्होंने कुछ बुक किया है. I think free of cost, right?
Yes.
Okay, I think we need to go. कुछ free of cost है, but tip दे सकते हो. इनका है, I don't have any idea, so I'm going with her.
Yes.
So
I don't have any idea either. So
it is my first time here in Varanasi and for her as well.
yeah, very curious what this city has to bring, especially the spiritual side.
So you are into spirituality?
Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily say that I'm very spiritual, but I'm starting to learn more and more about spirituality here, especially, and I find it very interesting. So yeah, especially since we're in the spiritual capital of India. I think,
India. Right.
Yeah, what better place to learn more about it, right?
Right. चलो हम लोग को इनका 9 to 12 कुछ वॉक का प्रोग्राम है, so I'm not sure. अभी जाके पता चलेंगे. हमें राजेंद्र प्रसाद घाट पहुंचना है. वहां जाके एक टूर गाइड होगा, उनसे मिलेंगे. फिलहाल का सीन ये है, ये गंगा माँ बोटिंग.
I'm not China.
मैडम नॉट चाइना.
You're from Netherlands.
Speak Dutch?
No.
No.
I speak English.
That's too bad.
हो गया भैया.
I don't know.
हो गया. मैं चाइनीज हूँ लेकिन हिंदी आता है, देखो. थैंक यू. You really
You're
thought that,
breaking your arm, man.
you really thought I'm from China.
Yeah.
Then he said you speak really good Hindi.
Nice, the flavor of the mud.
Snacks maybe?
What are the differences?
Not sure.
Which one would you recommend?
भैया कौन सा अच्छा होगा इनके लिए, ये बाहर से आया है. I think this is the best one.
Yes. What is it? Can you ask?
भैया इसको क्या बोलते हैं? आप फेंक लीजिए आपका. It's chewing. हाँ, ये बिस्किट का नाम क्या बोलते हैं कुछ? हाँ, मतलब बिस्किट.
Okay. Should I dip it?
Yeah, dip it in it.
Oh, really good.
Good.
Especially with the chai.
चलो, at least you like it.
Yeah.
भैया बहुत फेमस है, न्यूज में भी आया था नंदी चलाते हुए. यहाँ क्या है? ओके, ऐसे बन जाते हो और फिर शिव जी बन के नंदी. सही है. How did you like the cooler chai though?
Oh yeah, I really liked it. Yeah, I really like it. It's a little bit more creamier, and especially with the cookie,
Cooks.
I love it. Yeah.
All right, let's go then. So हम लोग राजेंद्र प्रसाद घाट पहुंच गए. यहाँ इन्होंने जो बुक किया था वो बंद है और कुछ लोगों के लिए वो उनके लिए हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. हम यहाँ पहुँचे और टेस्ट पूरा नज़ारा लूट रही है, मज़ा लूट रही है. How you are finding Varanasi test? Tell me.
Yeah, until so far it's really nice. A lot of busy spots, a lot of salesmen.
Salesman.
But no,
Massage
I like
man
it.
as well?
And massage man as well, yes. Strong hands.
Strong hands.
But yeah, I like it so far. And I'm curious to learn a little bit more about the history as well. But you already explained a little bit. So
I think he will tell us more about
I think so.
ये भैया ज़्यादा बताएंगे हमें थोड़ी देर में.
The Netherlands. People in India have never seen my type of hair. So they're always very curious and amazed by it. But they always like it, so that's good. But yeah.
You are basically from Netherlands or native?
I am born and bred in the Netherlands, but my mother is Dutch and my father is from Suriname.
Suriname.
Suriname is in Latin America.
Latin
It's
America.
above
Okay.
Brazil.
Okay.
And it used to be a former colony of the Netherlands, and that's also how my mom and my dad met.
I
eventually.
see.
So and then here's the project. So yeah, I've got my mom's characteristics and my dad's
Features.
Yeah. So,
That's cool. Your hair is really beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's what everybody is telling you.
Yeah, true. I will tell my mom and my dad. I will thank them.
In the old city, everything. Varanasi is 4,000 years old city.
Okay.
It's not a new.
Okay.
So all the activities.
I think they can't hear you. Yeah.
I will show you everything very closely.
Yes.
And also I will show you from the corridor, old Golden Temple and disputed mosque.
Okay.
From the corridor. And that corridor is built very new one. Before all the Indians, they were suffering from the small street. They take a shower in the Ganga and they take the Ganga water in a hand. And from there to the temple, they suffering from the small street. In the street, sometimes two people fight with each other and sometimes a lot of dirty, so a lot of problems become. So our Modi government make a corridor. Now easy to take shower in the Ganga, bring the Ganga water, and easy to visit in that corridor.
I see.
So I will show you that, okay? Now start, please.
Sorry? This government basically renovated this city. Yeah. It used to be very, narrow street.
Yeah.
Now he renovated it and developed it. So that is what he was telling us.
What was he telling? Okay. I didn't do it.
Chalo, I'll try to help you a little bit.
Where you from?
I'm from northeastern part of India.
They will carry sure Ganga water. They carry from that pot. All the Indian arrive here, all the Indian, they will carry Ganga water in the house. They use during the prayer in the house.
Very high official, I don't know, not a king, but someone that he was only drinking the Ganga water.
Yeah. This is also.
Just drinking. Yes, he wouldn't drink normal water.
I mean,
हम लोग फिलहाल अभी घूम रहे स्ट्रीट और वो भैया जो है हमें घुमा रहे हैं. आज एक दिन के लिए मैं फॉरेनर बन रहा हूँ इन लोगों के साथ. वो 3 लोग हैं नेदरलैंड से और एक लड़की आई एम नॉट श्योर वो वाली जो गोरी वाली है सबसे उनका पता नहीं बाद में पता करेंगे कहाँ से. तो बिकमिंग टूरिस्ट लाइक फॉरेनर फॉर टुडे.
here all the houses 200, 300 years old. You see in the house, on the wall, you see many holes. Before they do the karma, that means holes for the pigeons, for the parrots, for the birds. Before people think like this, people think for others. So every in old house, on the wall, you can see many holes.
I see.
Yeah, and in every house you can find on the top Ganesh. Ganesh is starting, good luck. Old house you can find like this. This is Devi, means this is the leg of the house. So people think about house like a mom, mother. So always people pray also again. And always you can find a small gate in the old town. Small gate means people respect to the house. When go inside this respect, come outside this respect. So always people make small gate.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's nice, but sometimes.
And one special instruction for everyone. Varanasi city for the street. Everything in the street. All the market, everything in the street. And my age is 40 plus. And I look this house continue fell down. Actually not very easy to build here.
Okay.
Actually near the Ganga river 200 meters close you can't build a new one.
I see.
You have to get permission, heavy permission. Otherwise you can't build a new one. So continue I saw fell down. But many houses people care, maintenance, decorate. Stand like a young man, young girl. I will show you real Kashi, real Varanasi. Varanasi 4 names. First name is Anand. Anand means happy, one means jungle. And in that jungle there was not a big animal. In that jungle, there was fruits, nice flowers. Because before was not houses, only Ganga river and jungle, forest. So after when so on that time was Anandvan. Second name Kashi is very religious name Kashi. And third name is Banaras. Banaras means which juice made with many fruits, means mixed juice. Here a lot of caste and religion people stay here, all people. And the fourth name is Varanasi because our first Ghat is Asi and the last Ghat is Varanasi.
Okay.
So Asi plus Varanasi, Asi plus Varuna, Varanasi. And three names anybody can tell, but first one not everybody they don't know.
Anandvan.
Anandvan.
Even I didn't know it.
Now we are in the morning. In the morning when we walk in the street, you can listen sound of the bell. Everybody busy for the prayer. Everybody trust on God and Goddess. Everybody. Very religious place, very secret place, Varanasi. Come I show you more. But slowly, and you see up to down to up. Then you can find something new. Varanasi is very old city. In the world, two cities old. First in India, Varanasi. Second in Italy, Venezia.
बोल रहे थे कि शिव मंदिर रहता है हर घर में, तो ये देखो एक शिव मंदिर है और दरवाजे छोटे छोटे होते हैं ऐसे. सो एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं गलियारों से, मजा आ रहा है. ओके, दिस इज ज्ञान बापी मॉस्क.
Gyan Vapi,
ओके, दिस शिवा टेम्पल एंड ज्ञान बापी इज इन डिस्प्यूट राइट नाउ, राइट?
राइट. बोल दो यार, तुम ही बोल दो यार.
नहीं बता दो
Is
आप.
that temple open for tourists or no?
Yeah, Shiva temple is a new one here. That is the mosque, this is disputed mosque. Under that mosque,
Why?
why? Because when Mughal was in India, he broke the many temples and built the mosque. So there is also temple of Shiva. And about that mosque now is worth in the court, matter in the court. Maybe released in this year, maybe. But under that mosque there is temple of Shiva. Now you see the new.
What do people from India want to do? Do they want to tear it down?
Yeah,
Or do they want to destroy it? Or what's...
yeah. Indian wants this, but this is depend on the court.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. According to Indian Constitution, you cannot demolish any mosque after independence. We adopted our constitution. We cannot demolish any mosque, excluding Ayodhya. So it has been already done. Ayodhya temple is already built. So this will be in dispute, but demolition will not be possible.
Not
So
because
Because-
what are they disputing then?
Because Mughal invaded us,
Yeah.
invaded India, and we used to be a Hindu country, right? So when Mughal came, they looted and demolished a lot of temples and built mosques. So according to people, they are used to be a temple, and he demolished it and built a mosque. So people are disputing it right now. But according to our constitution, it is not possible to demolish the
not
mosque.
possible.
Exception was Ayodhya; it has been done. So this is not possible according to constitution.
And also I will show you from the
There's one
road.
here.
ये नया काशी कॉरिडोर जो नया रिबिल्ड किया गया है, यहाँ लाइन लगा हुआ है. शिव टेम्पल उस तरफ है और यहाँ माँ भारती. हेलो भैया, अच्छा था क्या? यस, आई एम फ्रॉम चाइना. हाँ, हिंदी सीख लिया मैंने. हाँ. नया कॉरिडोर देखिए ना कितना बनाया गया, अच्छा बनाया गया. अभी इजी होता है बोल रहे हैं स्ट्रीट से तो कम्यूट करने में. थैंक यू.
Ashram means religious words where you can stay free of cost. Here many ashram. For the Sanskrit students, ashram free of cost. This type of ashrams maintenance by the rich man who is rich man from Varanasi, from out of Varanasi. Sanskrit language, our very old language. In the world, two language very old. In India, Sanskrit very old. In Italy, Latin very old. Here,
Sanskrit is also
Sanskrit.
where the traditional medicine comes
Yeah,
from. Like, or
yes.
the Siddham.
So here, Varanasi is the capital of education. Here also Sanskrit University separate, and here come from all over the world students come here for get the knowledge of Sanskrit language, and Sanskrit language very free here. Not you don't need to pay a lot of money. In English medium you have to pay a lot of money.
Okay.
Do they do that to also become a priest then?
Yes.
So they are already deciding that they want to become a
Yeah.
priest.
This is internal fire, 3,500 years old internal fire. With this fire, people burn a dead body.
Never stopped?
It never stops. You take a little piece of the fire from here, and then the people go near the dead body. In Varanasi, only here dead body burned 24 hours. You have to move with fire 5 times.
Before burning it.
Before burning 5 times. Each time when you move, you have to touch fire to the forehead to the dead body. 5 times you have to do like this, and then when finish 5 times, to the fire throw inside the wood. Why 5 times? Because our body made with 5 elements.
यहाँ से फायर लेके वहाँ जाके जलाते हैं, तो यहाँ से लेके जाते हैं। तो 4000 साल से ये जला हुआ है, 4000 साल से।
3,500.
3500।
हाँ, 3,500.
ओके ओके ये
All the person they like to visit in Varanasi. Some people say to the family member, if I die, please bring my dead body here. So family member they bring the dead body here.
यहाँ से लेके जाते हैं, फिर घाट में जाके जलाते हैं। आई ब्लॉग टू इफ यू डोंट माइंड कैप्चरिंग यू।
Sure, no problem.
So
I figured
how's
as
it-
much.
how's it so far? How do you like Varanasi
I think it's my favorite city in India so far.
so far?
Yeah, better than
Dead body burning.
New Delhi and Jaipur and Agra.
One dead body take to time burn 3 hours. So 3 hours people stay here. Actually, when people die in India, first people wash to the dead body and decorate to the Varanasi. So we are coming with this.
Yeah.
But here is they will take a long time.
Yeah.
Because one dead body take to time burn 10 hours, 15 hours like this. Because there was a lot of dead bodies coming from all over the India. People doing karma here. Here many rich men, they build a house and donate for others. If you do the karma, good karma, then you can carry the karma. You can't carry any other things. Here people, all the poor people, they can get a free food, free clothes. Here many people donate. They give 5 hand Ganga water in the mouth of dead body. 5 times. Give them 5 times because our body made 5 elements. All the karma happen here 5 times. People give the fire. That man go for shave here, and then after he will take a shower in the Ganga, and then he will use white dress.
And what happens with the ash?
With ash, people first collect in one place, and then who is working here? Lower caste people working here, scheduled caste working here. So that person first they collect ash in one place. After they look golden and silver in the ash. Yeah, actually here when women die, then family members they don't take a earring, nose ring. They don't take. They burn. And then who is working here, they take,
So
they
they
look,
don't search for the
Yes.
interior afterwards.
They
That's
take-
for the people who work there.
yeah, only for. But there is also king. There are
King,
kings.
king,
Ah,
king of this whole
yeah,
area.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, they have a lot of workers.
okay.
In a bucket, they use little ash and with water,
Just clean.
Looking golden and silver. They find golden ash, they take. And after all the ashes not to throw in the Ganga. No in the Ganga, no.
Just a little bit, थोड़ा सा नहीं,
No.
no.
Ash little bit, but who people cannot bring the dead body, that person bring the ash. Many people
Okay.
cannot bring the dead body here. Very hardly work. So that person bring the ash.
They cremate them in their own space.
Yeah.
And they take the ashes.
Yeah.
And they throw them.
Yes. Every day 50 to 60 people coming with ash in Varanasi. Before Holi festival, people play Holi with ash of the cremation.
Oh,
On that occasion, on that time, everything full. Not with ash. Not with ash means a lot
Colored
of
and,
people-
yeah.
Means a lot of people arrive here for see that ceremony. So with the people crowd, too much crowd, and people play holy with ash of the people.
Ash.
Yeah, with ash.
बहुत ज़्यादा इंसाइट मिल रहा है, मुझे इतना पता ही नहीं था इसके बारे में, क्रिमेशन के बारे में। अच्छा लग रहा है। Let's go.
Let's go. Do you know she heard somebody say that if like pregnant women and children,
Huh.
they are not being cremated, but they are thrown in the Ganga with
Women and
whole
children?
body. Yes.
Oh, we can ask you.
Yeah.
भैया ये बच्चे और औरत को जलाते हैं यहाँ?
नहीं नहीं, बच्चे औरत नहीं जलाते हैं।
ओके, क्यों?
बच्चे औरत को
ये इंग्लिश में बताइए, इन लोगों को जाना।
no, to the
Women and child.
to the
Okay.
baby, not burn here. With the stone, bind with the stone, and just put in the middle of the Ganga.
Okay.
Pregnant women.
Yes, pregnant woman also.
And pregnant and normal women who dies?
Normal woman to जलेंगे.
जलेंगे, okay.
Normal woman burn.
हाँ,
Before 15.
15. Okay.
Yeah, before 15 we throw in the Ganga.
And also people who are bitten by a snake.
Yeah, snake and also who people belong leprosy.
Leprosy is a skin disease.
Yeah.
Your skin changed to white. Like, तो फिलहाल हम थोड़ा रेस्ट ले रहे हैं। यहाँ गंगा है, ये बैठे हैं, यहाँ से हवा आ रहा है, आराम से एक बेंच में भी है बैठने के लिए। थोड़ा सा रेस्ट ले रहे हैं।
Any bride when they look any brother-in-law, sister, brother-in-law, father-in-law, so just to cover the face, not open the face, only open the face front of.
Why is it?
रहे थे ना कि बिल्डिंग डिमोलिश होने के बाद नया नहीं बना सकते, तो यहाँ पर किए थे, गवर्नमेंट ने रोक दिया, फिर डिमोलिश भी कर दिया। क्योंकि इसका जो हेरिटेज है ना, कल्चरल हेरिटेज जो पुराना है, 400 साल पहले से जो बना गया है सिटी, वर्ल्ड का सबसे ओल्डेस्ट सिटी है, तो उसको मेंटेन रखने के लिए नया बिल्डिंग लाओगे तो नए नए स्ट्रक्चर में बनाएंगे, तो इसका सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं रहेगा, तो गवर्नमेंट ने ये वाली रूल लाया, तो इसलिए नहीं बना पाते।
What I cooked in our kitchen. First we will offer to the cow. And if I come out, if it look cow, if cow no find anywhere, then just we put in some place, in a clean place.
And do you know why it is the cow, not another animal? What is the history behind it?
About the cow, about any other animal.
Okay, I'd like to add here. A cow is basically holy because lot of our gods, they use cows. They had their own companion, so that is why it's cow, and not basically only cow. It's all the animals. That is the reason Hindus are vegetarian. Majority of Hindus are vegetarian. So we respect all lives.
Yeah.
So we don't eat meat.
Do you?
Sorry for that.
And also, but here sometimes it also means no eggs.
No, it's cultural thing.
It depends on the culture, right?
Yeah.
Or even in Jain, it's called. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah,
They
Jain,
also
Jain.
don't eat onion, garlic.
Even
and it's like
tomato.
a
Oh, sorry, potato.
Yeah, potato, and then it's like a more tomato base, gravy or whatever they will eat.
Cow is banned here in India, but
But you can get
yeah,
you can eat beef and stuff.
it's beef means it's bull, not cow.
Is the taste different?
Water come here.
I never tasted, so I can't tell you exactly. चलो भाइयों, हाय बोल दो एक बार। हाय, हरे कृष्णा। क्या बोलते हो? हर हर महादेव। हर हर महादेव। That's just so big. You can zoom it and watch it.
In the house, someone people they like this. But now is this. And so in old house you can find this type of bell.
In Morocco, they have a big one and a small one.
Yeah.
And the big one is for the guy to use, and the small one is for the girl to use. So they
Oh.
know that if the woman hears the sound of the big one, she has to put the veil on. But
Oh.
if she hears a small one, she knows she can just open the door and there's gonna be woman waiting.
I
So
see.
that's smart, right?
Smart. In Morocco.
Yes.
Okay.
Wall you can see betel leaf. पहले सही था.
Ah, right.
So everybody speak pan on the wall. Now it's decorated. Our government clean to Varanasi and decorate to Varanasi by the paintings. Now nobody spit on the wall. Our government, he knows very well who in Varanasi, very old city, and a lot of people eat here pan. So where they will spit? So Varanasi government, he knows very well. So he make some hole somewhere. Now you eat a pan and you can spit there. I will show you that is spitting place. Everywhere you can find sitting place, sleeping place. And if you see it, you will sleep, nobody disturb you.
You can see the significance of animals in Hinduism. You can see Lord Ganesha in the shape of elephant. Even that. Can you see that? It's
Yeah.
kind of an animal shape god.
Yes.
So that is the significance of animals, living beings in Hinduism.
I got an invitation for a wedding.
Oh,
Yes.
you should get sari then. Sari,
I don't
lehenga.
know if I can come because I'm gonna be in Goa. The wedding is in Jaipur.
Say hi. Now it's chai party. Yeah. You like chai?
I love it.
You love it. Cooler wali chai. Clay. It's clay cup. Yeah. It's made up of clay, mud. Yeah.
Why would you throw it away?
Yes.
It's so crazy. I would keep it for plants or like carry my own.
Decoration maybe.
Yeah.
Paint it and keep it somewhere.
Yeah.
Or the candles like they use in
Yeah.
This is your second cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many you had so far in India?
Not that many.
Oh, wait till you go to the hostel, Joey. I had like 20, 30 there.
20, 40?
Cups because they were free.
Oh, a day?
Yeah.
Come on.
In Agra and Joey's, there's a hostel that has a view of the Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
And you can mix it with coffee and you have the chai coffee.
I see. The tree has grown over, like, on top of the temple. Can you see that?
So now you can calculate how many years of this temple. First they build the temple, then tree grow. And when tree grow, in the tree, a lot of power. Make a lot of space between the temple. The temple not fell down.
Yeah.
But you can see the pillars, all the pillars. First this part of the temple was stick. When tree grew from here, then make actually too much power in the tree. So make a more space. And this space from everywhere. You can see also on the top. See.
Oh.
Hour of nature.
Yeah, but temple not fell down.
ये एक्चुअली बता रहे थे ये पेड़ जो है ना यहाँ से नीचे से आया टेम्पल को एक्सपांड ये देखो वॉल ओके इट इज लिटिल टिल्टेड लाइक बैंड फिर यहाँ से उठ के फिर वो सॉरी फिर यहाँ से उठ के वहाँ तक ऊपर चला गया मंदिर Kenny has learned 3 words.
Yes.
Hi, what do you say in Hindi?
Namaste.
Then thank you.
Dhanyabad.
One more. What is that?
Mindy? No. Mindy? No.
No.
How was, I forgot the last one. Nandi? Nundi? I don't remember. How was the last one? It was the story.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry? How was story?
Sorry.
How was story?
Yeah, sorry. Tell me if you
I
recall.
don't remember.
Okay, it's Mafi.
Mafi. Okay, like mafia, but mafi. Mafi. Sorry. Yes.
ये वाली यहाँ में होली सेलिब्रेट वाला देखो होली का कलर देखो
After the lunch and dinner, after the breakfast, after the tea, people sure take a pan. Who is using? Maximum people using here pan.
It believes that it helps in digestion.
Also, you can get one special one with opium on your wedding night, right? That's what I was told in Jaipur from my guy. Yeah. He's buying going to the wedding, right?
हाँ
And he's gonna buy 2 with opium, which is like so they have a very crazy first night with his wife,
I see.
and that's the tradition there.
तो कैनी ने और 2 वर्ड सीखा. कैनी, say yes in Hindi. हाँ? कैमी.
Yeah. What was this to say?
कैनी. अच्छा.
Camilla.
Camila. Okay. Kami.
Yes.
What? Yes in Hindi.
Hey.
No.
Nay.
नहीं. She is learning Hindi. How about you? She learned. Thank you.
I forgot how to. I could say my name, but I forgot.
You forgot already.
Yeah, but we don't use it a lot. Because
I taught her thank you a couple of minutes back. She forgot already.
yeah, but it's difficult.
Cami.
Okay. Yeah, repeat. Okay, again.
It's धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद.
Dhanyabad.
हाँ धन्यवाद.
Dhanyabad.
टेम्पल नीचे क्यों है भैया?
पहले यहाँ पे जितने भी मंदिर है ना भैया, सब पुराने मंदिर हैं. जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे अब गली बना हुआ है. तो अब लोग दर्शन से नहीं कर पा रहे, दर्शन कैसे करेंगे? शीशा में देख के दर्शन कर लेंगे. इस उद्देश्य से शीशा लगाया गया है.
तो मंदिर यहाँ से ये शीशे में देख सकते हो. शीशा लगा है.
So this street name is Parrot Street. In this street, a lot of parrot. In the hole, you can see in every left and right, front and back, in all the houses there is hole. In the hole also stay the peak, a lot of parrots.
In Poland, we hate pigeons. We call them flying rats.
In Poland.
Yes. So to see, I saw in Jaipur that for good luck you can feed them in the morning,
Yes.
right? And then you start a good day. It's so weird that every country has a different approach towards the same thing.
Yes. Why do you hate parrots?
Not parrots, pigeons.
Pigeons. Okay, pigeons. Huh.
Because they are very. So first they would sit on your balcony and they would cook
Yes.
so much that you're not able to even walk on that.
Uh-huh.
And they come at 4 a.m. in the morning and they wake you up.
Huh.
So we have like those spikes everywhere. Are spikes.
Those poop.
Yeah, you have the holes and we have the spikes, so they cannot sit.
Okay, that's the way out to
Yes.
get away with
Yes.
pigeons.
Yes.
Young boy.
हम लोग का टूर खत्म, मतलब टूर गाइड के साथ. अभी फिलहाल आए हैं हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट. ये देखो रेस्टोरेंट बहुत क्राउडेड है अभी के लिए. तो ज़्यादा नहीं, पहले तो कम था, अभी ज़्यादा हो गया. तो हम लोग लंच के लिए आए हैं. Why do you choose India?
It's something different. I'm already traveling for 7 months, so I did already Thailand,
Asia or
just Asia this year. So I already went to Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, but everything is like getting so normal,
Yeah.
like so well. So that's
I think they
why.
are more like as
Yeah,
well.
it's like really,
Yeah.
it's almost the same. And then
Yeah.
first we had the plan to go to the Philippines, but I already had like 4 weeks of beaches, just beach.
Yeah.
The Philippines are all just beaches.
Yeah.
So I said, if you want to do something different, maybe we can do a different direction.
Yeah.
So we spoke with each other and we went to Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
And then from there on, everything started getting different and changed. And then the plan first was my mom was to come over to Indonesia, but she cancelled. So I said, like, now we have more time, so we can also do India.
Yeah, if you want to get
Yeah.
bigger again. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think Sri Lanka.
So that's why we choose for India, because we had the time
Yeah.
and it's different than the rest of Asia.
So you say Philippines.
And India is like also like a different culture, so cheap, it's so big. There's a lot of
Diversity.
highlights. Yeah. So yeah.
Mostly because I've always wanted to go to India because it's a very popular destination in Poland for all the yogi people.
yeah.
Especially Mysore, it's like everyone goes to get trained as a teacher.
Yeah.
So it's very popular. But honestly, if I could, I would be more like in Vietnam now because I wanted to have a different culture from Kenya to something else. But because my work not prohibits me, it would be very difficult for me to work at night. And I have calls 3 times a week, very long ones on camera. I have to be very focused.
Yeah.
So I would have to have them at 3 a.m. So I thought, okay, so where can I go for a week? That's different. That is like a small cultural shock. And I felt like India, so that's it, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
you get a culture shock from there.
Yeah, and I want to see all the seven wonders.
Yeah.
So
Which one have you already?
I've seen
Taj
Machu
Mahal?
Picchu, Taj Mahal, Chichen Itza in Mexico, Christ in Rio, and one more, Colosseum in Rome. So I'm missing the Chinese Wall and Petra. So excited for Asia one day because I feel like it is gonna be different, right? From
It's whole different.
Yeah. It is. Yeah. It
You
is
can't compare.
Japan, Korea, yeah.
You guys are couple, right? Yeah. तो ये लोग गए थे अर्जेंटीना उसके जब वर्ल्ड कप जीते थे ना तब तो उनका वीडियोस दिखा रहे थे बहुत एक्साइटमेंट था बोल रहे थे कैसा कैसे क्रेजी से हुआ था 7 days तक पूरा अर्जेंटीना बंद था हॉलीडे मनाया था वर्ल्ड कप के लिए वीडियो दिखा रहे थे वो बता रहे थे मेरा वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मोमेंट था वहाँ अच्छे अच्छे लोग मिल रहे हैं पूरा वर्ल्ड एक्सप्लोर कर चुके हैं और ये जो केमी है वो 50 देश घूम चुके हैं खाना आ गया मेरा प्लेन डोसा इतना बड़ा दिख रहा है इनका मसाला डोसा मटर जीरा राइस नान इधर नान मटर का कुछ है तो सब खा रहे हम भी खाते हैं शुरू करते हैं See you in the evening. Let's go. See you. अभी हम लोग हॉस्टल जा रहे हैं बहुत धूप है टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा है तो जल्दी से हॉस्टल जाते हैं थोड़ा रेस्ट लेके एंड व्हाट एल्स कैमी हेलो एक्चुअली ब्लॉग को यही खत्म करना पड़ेगा तो मैंने सोचा थोड़ा कम कर दो छोटा कर दो लेकिन क्या है कि जो इनसाइड टूर गाइड दे रहा है ना वाराणसी के बारे में वो इम्पोर्टेंट है उसको मुझे कट करके डालना अच्छा नहीं होगा तो मैंने सोचा कि जितना मैंने लिया था जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें है वो सारे डाल दो तो काफी लंबा हो गया इसलिए ये वाली ब्लॉग यही खत्म करता हूँ और दूसरी वाली ब्लॉग में आएगा वाराणसी का वो तो और मजेदार होने वाला है वाराणसी का बोट राइड होगा सनसेट बोट राइड फिर आरती होगा और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो कमीला है ना कैमी उन्होंने गोल्डन ट्रायंगल ऑलरेडी घूम लिया गोल्डन ट्रायंगल मतलब दिल्ली जयपुर और आगरा तो सारे घूम लिए थे फिर उनको ये दिमाग में था कि उनको इंडिया वापस नहीं आना लेकिन वाराणसी ने उनका परसेप्शन इंडिया का बदल दिया और फिर उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि वो वापस इंडिया आना चाहेंगे तो कैसे हुआ वाराणसी ने ऐसा क्या किया वो सब जानेंगे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में बहुत एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है बहुत मजेदार होने वाला है ये वाली जो व्लॉग है ना उससे भी काफी मजेदार होने वाला है तो उसके लिए वेट कीजिए हर ट्यूसडे मैं 5-15 को अपलोड करूंगा सो नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे 5-15 को वाली ब्लॉग आएगा अभी के लिए ये वाली ब्लॉग खत्म करते हैं और आप लोगों ने मेरा दिल्ली टू वाराणसी का जर्नी वंदे भारत से नहीं देखा तो यहाँ जाके यहाँ क्लिक करके देख सकते हो यहाँ क्लिक करके देख सकते हो एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच जय हिंद एंड हर हर महादेव